Good morning. Welcome to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Well, we're back out here at the pool, and we've got the water. Let me show you here. The water is looking really clear right now. So we've done a good job on that. Today we're going to focus in a little bit on this deck. You know, of course, we've had almost everybody on that watches one of the videos says something about this decking. I was going to paint it, but it just didn't happen. But we have been really scrubbing it and cleaning it using just some bleach like Clorox, and it started looking better. It's still a little darker over here, but everything is cleaning up. So we're going to spray some more on it today and then start working on these areas back in here, and also down this edge here as well. So we'll get that going, and I'm also going to do some bush hogging today. So let's get to work. All right, I think we're going to start down this side over here first and give it a little bleach. Well, we've got it a lot better. It's still not anything perfect by no means, but it is a lot better. It just needs to be repainted, I guess. And all this over here looks a little better, you know. I guess not too bad for 40-year-old deck. We just scrubbed it the best we could. But it looks a lot better. Even this looks better, believe it or not. It's still got some darkness to it, but we'll give it another shot of some Clorox later. Some of it may just be too deep stain to do anything with. Well, all right. Here we are. The next day, the sock was good and had some stuff in it, but it wasn't brown, green, or black. So I take that as a win. This water is now what I'm officially going to say crystal clear. Just remember, always keep your water balanced. Got to have your pH and alkalinity balanced, and keep chlorine in there. Keep it all balanced. You do that, and do the general maintenance like taking your pool brush and brush the sides. The old Y-bot down here, I haven't done it yet, but you can program it to climb the sides of the pool and wash it for you. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. We appreciate it. If you like the video, hit the like button, hype us if you can. Hit the subscribe button so you can see some more of our pool stuff, and maybe follow us through the summer, and you might be interested in some of our other videos. And we'll see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.